my YouTube channel. Friends, if I tell you to find the answer of these three questions which are coming on your screen to solve in just 3 seconds, and friends, now pause the video and try to find out the answers and comment below. If you are able to solve this question in just 3 seconds, then your preparation level is at a good speed and at a good extent. Today I am going to tell you a good shortcut in which you will be able to tackle these integration questions in just 3 seconds. So stay tuned till the end. And now we are moving towards the shortcut. So here we are starting with a new series, hashtag shortcut series, in which I will be covering all the chapters which are asked in the various government examination like NDA, JEE, Air Force, CTET and many more. So if any of you or any of your friends are preparing, share this video with them so that at least they will learn and they will be able to solve these questions which will be asked in their future examination in just 2 seconds. सो हियर इसके लिए सबसे पहले हमें क्वेश्चन का फॉर्मेट देखना होगा. व्हेन दिस क्वेश्चन इज इन दिस फॉर्म, आई हैव पुट इट इन द स्क्वायर बॉक्स. जब ये क्वेश्चन इस फॉर्म में हो, इंटीग्रेशन a to b f of x by f of x plus f of a plus b minus x into dx. If question is in this format, then answer is simply very small answer. Here it would not take even 2 seconds, it would take only 1 second. If you become master in solving these things, you just need to subtract this both and divide by 2. So here b minus a by 2. See, this is the required answer. So for better understanding, I would take few examples. Like in our example number 1, we have got question as integration 0 to pi by 2 to the power sin x by 2 to the power sin x plus 2 to the power cos x. So here we have got this formula. See, this is f of x here. So here we have, let us take this as f of x, and again we got f of x here. So here also again we have f of x, and here we have f of a plus b. 0 plus pi, it will be pi. 0 to pi by 2, it will be pi by 2, and cos pi by sin pi by 2 minus x, it will become cos x. So here we have got f of a plus b minus x. So here the format is again the same format. So here now we can easily apply the trick which I told you. What I told you, that subtract upper limit minus lower limit and divide by 2. That's it. That is the answer. So here answer, we can take answer as upper limit as this and lower limit this. So we will subtract pi by 2 minus 0, pi, it will become pi by 2, and if we divide by 2, we will get answer as pi by 4. So I think you would have got this technique in just one example itself, but for still for better understanding, I would take second example. So in second example also we have f of x here, again f of x here, and f of x, sorry, this is x, please correct it, this is x. So we have got f of x here also, and we got a plus b, 2 plus 3 minus x, here under root. So we have got f of a plus b minus x. So we got the format which was there in this trick. So here answer is simply b minus a by 2, upper limit minus lower limit by 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1, by 2 is 1 by 2. So here our answer is simply 1 by 2. So friends, I think you would have got this trick in your mind, and if this kind of questions, if you get anywhere, you will be able to solve in just 1 second. So for your better practice, I have 3 questions. You can just find out the answer and comment it below. The top answers will be pinned in the comment section, and here the first question is dx by 1 plus root of tan x. Here I would give one hint, that convert root tan x into root sin x by root cos x, then you will get the format of the question. this format plus f of a plus b minus x, and after that you apply trick. So here you solve these questions and comment below and share this video with these friends. So thank you all for tuning till the end. Jai Hind, bye.